So I don't know why it happens that sometimes when you decide to just spice things up a bit, you probably end up paying for it. So that's just what happened today. Lately I've just been focused on trading silver. I've just been focused on trading silver, and it has definitely been worthwhile for my account. Silver doesn't move much, but in terms of tick value, pip value, sorry, pip value, it's better than most forex pairs. So I decided to go to trade gold for NFP. Trade gold FNP. You can see I'm placing my pending orders there because that's the basically the simplest news trading strategy ever. Like you just find the price in a range and you definitely just put pending orders, and then you wait for the news to hit, and hopefully the news will hit one of your pending orders, and you can quickly make some money from a spike up or a spike down. Of course, it's important that you don't get your pending orders tripped or triggered before the actual news hitting. So yeah, today I was trading gold, and I definitely almost paid with my account. I will speed the video a little bit later so that you see what I'm talking about. And it also reminded me of what I'm always telling you guys to do, that once you make a little bit of money into your account, it's important that you actually withdraw from that account and you only leave money in that account that you are happy losing. And actually, I'd forgotten to do that, and I nearly paid for that. So immediately after closing my position, I ended up withdrawing a portion of the account because, yeah, that's what you want to do. You want to always withdraw, because if you just leave it in your trading account, you might grow that account into a nice sum, but because it's there, you might actually blow it, all of it. And that's what nearly happened with me today. NFP, non-farm payroll, trading gold. Maybe I should have stuck to silver. That's what I've been trading for the past 2 weeks or so, and maybe I should have stuck with that. But anyway, in any case, I'll speed up the video. So if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, like the video. If you need anything else, free robots, free books, free indicators and stuff like that, there are links in the description box below. See those links and see if you cannot find what you're looking for. So yeah, that's what happened to me in trading non-farm payroll today. I will fast forward the video from this point so that you definitely can also go through with me what I went through, and well, hopefully you can take some lessons. I did learn something today, and yeah, today's NFP was not really. I don't know. I don't know. It was just something else. It wasn't that NFP that we witnessed last month. So yeah, in any case, I hope you guys made some good money. I'm hoping that you guys made some good money. So yeah, watch the video, enjoy it. I'll speed it up from this point so that you don't spend the whole day here. Like the video, subscribe. Let's have some music.
don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up